Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are my returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. Today I'm making an effective smoothie for weight loss using these 4 ingredients: kiwi, banana, apple, and cucumber. I'm now going to be making my smoothie. First, guys, goes in my apples. Apples can help boost your immune system. Next goes in my kiwi. Kiwi can benefit this smoothie by adding some vitamin C and E and can help with the digestive system. After that goes in my banana. Also help improve the digestive system and prevent constipation. And finally my cucumber. Cucumbers can help improve your skin health so your skin is nice and glowing. I will now add some water and cover and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. So guys, I've just finished blending up my kiwi and banana smoothie for weight loss. I'm now going to serve it into my cup. Look at that lovely lime green colour. And the apple, I can smell it. It smells so amazing. This smoothie is very beneficial and can help with weight loss. In the comment section below where you're watching me from. As we are now coming to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.